Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can activate live caption in Windows 11. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my computer with Windows 11, and to activate the live caption, we need to go to our setting. I'm going to go to the start menu first and select settings, and then we're going to go to the accessibility setting. Okay, and scroll down until you find the captions, and you can enable the live caption here. I'm going to click on this toggle button to enable it. Okay, and then here is the tutorial to activate the live caption. You can press the Windows logo key, Control and Alt to turn live captions on. Okay, and then I'm going to play one of my videos here. I'm going to go to the downloads folder. Okay, I'm going to play this video. Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can, as you can see guys, here we have live caption. Okay, and that's all the way to activate live caption in Windows 11. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!